Hi, welcome back to Hello Annie. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this Mexican-inspired breakfast skillet. I'm using 3 types of sausage. We have chorizo, some spicy Italian, and regular sausage. It is cooked in a bean, tomato, and cream base and topped with crispy potatoes. We're gonna start off sauteing some onion and some garlic until translucent and fragrant. Then we're going to add our chorizo. Cook the chorizo slowly over medium-low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes to allow its flavors to fully develop and to cook through. It should resemble cooked ground beef. Now add your sausages. You can break them apart as much as you like, or you can leave it a little bit bigger like I did. Once that's all nicely browned, we're gonna add our pinto beans and we're gonna cook this down just a few minutes. You wanna scrape the pan a little bit just to get the flavors of the chorizo. To this we're gonna add our tomatoes. I'm using whole peeled San Marzano tomatoes. I'm breaking them apart just a little bit. We're gonna let that cook just for a few minutes and then we're gonna add our Mexican cream. I added some chicken bouillon for flavor. Now Mexican cream is a very mild sour cream base and it's also a little bit more liquid, so if you could use that or substitute with heavy cream. Add garlic powder. And a little squeeze of fresh lime juice. We're gonna top it with some thinly sliced potatoes. We're gonna season them well with salt and pepper. And we're gonna finish this dish off in the oven 20 to 25 minutes, just until the potatoes are nice, crispy and cooked through. Once the dish is finished, you can add a dollop of sour cream, a little bit of chopped parsley. Serve this dish with eggs, any style, and warm sourdough bread. Enjoy!